Are you looking to make a difference in your community? Starting a residential group home in Virginia is a great way to provide essential care and support to those in need. But where do you start? Let's break it down step by step. First, decide on the type of group home you want to establish. Options include homes for individuals with disabilities, assisted living for seniors, or specialized homes for children. Each has specific requirements. Next, get familiar with Virginia's legal landscape. You'll need to meet zoning regulations, secure necessary licenses, and comply with health and safety standards. This is crucial to ensuring your home operates smoothly. Apply for your license through the Virginia Department of Social Services. Once submitted, your facility will undergo a thorough inspection to ensure it meets all state regulations. Now let's talk about creating comprehensive policies. You'll need to cover daily operations, emergency plans, and resident care. It's essential to have these in place to ensure the smooth running of your group home. Hiring qualified staff is key. Screen thoroughly and ensure they meet all Virginia's background check requirements. Once you're up and running, maintain compliance with regular inspections and audits. Also, focus on creating a nurturing environment with a strong care plan that meets your residents' needs. Starting a residential group home in Virginia might seem challenging, but with the right steps, you can make a lasting impact. Ready to take the plunge? Explore more resources and consultations to guide you along the way. Ready to start your group home in Virginia? Let carepolicy.us help with the licensing process. Visit www.carepolicy.us today and get started with ease.